Hey CJ, I'm outside in my backyard and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. See? Look at that. Beautiful garden. See? This is the backyard. And this is my patio, picnic table, the grill. The grill that I use, yes, I use. I am the grill master. So just know that. I'm the grill master. So if you need anything grilled, you call me. Well, anyway. As you can see, you can hear the birds, you can feel the wind probably blowing in the mic, and yeah, it's really nice day today. I think the high today is 80. Anyway, I'm going back in, and I am now showing you the basement. It's a teensy bit dirty, but yeah, I'm trying to clean it, but anyway, that's the cabinet, the bookshelves, and this is my little messy room. I'm trying to clean it. I'm in the process of cleaning it at the moment. But anyway, thank you for adding me to MySpace. Thank you for adding me to Twitter. I will do the same as soon as I get to it. I enjoy your videos. You are miraculous. You are stupendous. You are like the best YouTuber out there. You make me smile. I mean, your music is great. I love what you do. I mean, your music is really good. And yeah, I mean, seriously, you are a great singer. A great singer. Well, anyway, as you can see, as I told you, I'm cleaning up my room at the moment, and it's a teeny bit dirty. It's in the process. I'm usually a very clean person, but I've been busy, you know, doing stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know, thank you for, you know, doing your shout outs. Hopefully you'll give me a shout out next time, since I didn't hear my name this time, but I'm not blaming you. You probably have a lot of subscribers, so, you know. But I'm going to forward you my subscriber video that I made, and I will also forward you this video. So that's it. Enjoy, and I will talk to you later. Alright. Love ya. Bye.